Hey friends, welcome to another product unboxing and review. Yes, today we are checking out these cord organizers. These come in a 6-pack with 3 different colors, gray, black, and white. So pretty much what these do, have some 3M tape on the back. But you just stick them on your appliance. It has some appliances have like a longer cord, and you just wrap the cord around here and then tuck it in right there, and it's going to hold everything nice and securely. So we'll do a demonstration of that for sure. Just a really good idea. I'm probably going to use a few of these behind my computer, just right up on the wall. I have a bunch of my PCs under here, but a lot of wires just kind of everywhere. So cord organizers are really nice. I'll be able to just wrap some of my wires around here. Once this is stuck to the wall, wrap your wires around there, and then you can tuck it, the final short end right here. And that is able to come out whenever you need to just take it out. So let's go ahead and put this on and just demonstrate how that works for you guys. Alrighty, here we go. I got my air fryer here, and these things are super handy, but the problem is the cord. So when I want to go put this away, you're trying to do this, but it doesn't really wrap up nice. So the cord just seems to be kind of like that whenever you do it. So we're going to put our little cord organizer here on the back. Just taking a little bit of spray here, just to make sure our surface is nice and clean. Clean that off real good. Dun, 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 dry it. And then we can put this kind of wherever we want on here. All right, that should be good enough. 3M tape. 3M's like a boss at tape stuff. So we're going to take this off. Boom. And then we can just stick it on here. How about right like that? It's got a little curve to this, but I'm thinking it's still going to hold okay. So it's supposed to wait 24 hours for that to stay on there. But I'm just going to gently wrap this on here to see if it'll be okay. Bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum. And there we go. I didn't do too tight, but as you can see, guys, that's way better. Way out of the way than that other one. So definitely pretty cool little device here for getting that cord stored out of the way. Let's do another one, shall we? All right, here we go. I got a Breville juicer, but once again, we got this big old cord. So it winds up, we do something like that, and it just kind of doesn't look really good when you're trying to put it away. So we're just going to clean a little spot off here. Make sure it's free of dust and grime and dry it off real good. So it's a little rounded, but that's okay. And then I was thinking, well, I don't want it to be in the way here or when this comes down. So I could do it either sideways like that, or I can go like this a little bit more out of the way. So I think I'm going to go kind of right about there. And that should be just fine. All right. Make sure we're good. Nice and clean. And I went with the kind of gray one. These are all kind of like neutral tones that go with everything. So black or gray or white or silver. Boom. Okay. So here we go. And I'll just use this for reference. That usually goes right there. So I don't want it in the way. So I could put this right about here, I think. And just give it a nice press. And they say that they recommend leave this for a half hour before you do it. I'm sorry, 24 hours. But this is 3M tape, guys. This stuff, they've been in the tape game a long time, if you know what I'm talking about. So This one has a little bit thicker cord, a little bit stiffer. So I'm not gonna wrap it on there all the way until I'm done, but just kind of give you guys an idea. It's gonna go on there real nice, and I just don't want it to pop off of there. So I'm gonna actually wait the 24 hours, but this is gonna tuck that out of the way. It's gonna look, maybe I can even do it here. Just don't want that to pop off of there. This one's pretty strong there. Okay, it'll go on there nicely once that's all done. So definitely gonna keep my cords out of the way. And you could stick this on the wall. Like I said, I'll probably do that behind my computer. I have a bunch of like little wires on there. Just plug that or stick this on the wall there, and then I could wrap them around there and just feed the other wires out of here. So super handy, guys. If you guys want to check this out on Amazon, it's running about $17. I'm going to give you that link down there so you can check it out. I am an Amazon associate, so if you do click on the links and buy stuff, I get a little kickback. Helps out the channel, and I do appreciate the support. If you don't want to, that's cool as well. Thanks for watching this little review video. You guys have a blessed day. ETPC out.